everyone, I am back and today I am here with a huge unboxing video. I got this in the mail yesterday and I could not wait to get to work today so that I can show you guys everything that I got. So this is from, I got this from Behind the Chair. It's basically, they sent me a ton of stuff from Dazzle Dry. So Dazzle Dry is it goes on like regular polish, but it's supposed to have the durability of like 7 to 14 days. So kind of like a no chip, without having to cure in the lamp. So we're gonna go ahead and go on in and see what I got. Like I'm telling you guys, I got so much stuff, so much stuff. Okay, so first we have the mini kit, which it comes with, all the steps. It comes, so it's basically step 1 through 4. So we have the nail prep, the base coat, the nail polish, and then the top coat. So these are all like in a specific step, and it kind of, I feel like that is what plays a huge role in them lasting 7 to 14 days. So I got this, so, and it does come with a little lavender color in there, and it's cute because it's like pretty good for like travel size. So if I'm ever going on vacation and I know I'm not gonna have my nail stuff with me and I don't want to carry a lamp around, I can definitely take this with me. We also got Mini Flight, which is 5 different nail polishes. We have a pink, a light gray, a dark gray, this really cute shimmery blue, and a red. Red is always a good color. And so like I said, this is chip. So it says on the back, it's chip-free wear and protection for up to 2 weeks. It's quick drying, so hard set nails in just 5 minutes, so no UV light, which is great. And 5 minutes is not bad because we all know regular nail polish has kind of been out of the game for a little bit because no one really wants to deal with the fact that you have to sit and just wait for it to dry. It's non-toxic, so it's free of formaldehyde, TPHP, neurotricellose, and more. And it is, of course, animal and pet friendly, or it's never been tested on animals, so it's definitely not, don't use it on your animals. I mean, unless, I know a lot of people polish their animals' nails, but it has not been tested on animals, which is a good thing. We have some nail cuticle oil, which is always good. I love cuticle oil. You have to love your cuticle oil because you know what? You need to apply this at least once a day. It's never, my clients always ask me like, oh, how many times like is too many? I was like, there's no such thing as too many times for your cuticle oil. So I will definitely be using this on my clients also. And then we have these 2 polishes, which this one's so cute. I love a good baby pink. And then a nice fire red. So we have that, and then I also got the big version of the mini kit. So it comes with literally everything, but just in big form. So we have the prep, the base coat, and then obviously the colors are over here. And then we have the top coat, and then Revive. So this is, I think the Revive is basically, so it restores the consistency of Dazzle Dry top coat and nail lacquers that have become thick from natural evaporations of solvents. So I think this is more so for, you know how whenever like the regular nail polishes, they would get a little thick from having to open them, close them, open and close them. And then a lot of, this is so funny because I remember a lot of my clients would tell me like, oh, at the regular nail salons, they just put like acetone or nail polish remover in there. And I'm like, no, you're not supposed to do that because then obviously it affects the quality of the nail polish. So this is kind of like a Revive for that, to make it so that the polish and the top coat and stuff isn't so thick, without having to put in the acetone or the nail polish remover, because like I said, it will affect the quality of the nail polish for you. So I am very excited to try this only because I am very bad about doing my nails. As you guys can see, I did these 4 nails about a week ago, and these 6 nails are still like out here looking crazy. So I'm going to take this product off of my nails and I'm going to try this out. So I will definitely be posting a video. I'm going to be recording that and posting a video so that you guys can see the process. And so we can test it out and see really how long it takes and how well it lasts. I don't expect for it to last the entire 2 weeks on myself, only because I do so much. One, I'm constantly working, and then, you know, I do so much at home and stuff like that. So, I mean, it'd be great if it lasts the entire 2 weeks for me, because, you know, I need to be a little bit more consistent on my nails, but just sometimes doing the whole gel overlays and the gel fills and stuff on myself, it can be a little time consuming for me. So this is something that I'm extremely excited for and extremely thankful for, to Behind the Chair and Dazzle Dry. Thank you guys so much for sending me out these products, and I cannot wait to try them, and hopefully I can get some clients to get on board with this product. You know, I am gonna I'm gonna test it out on myself, see how well it lasts. I always like to test products on myself before I offer them out to my clients, only because that way I am able to kind of like, you know, speak from experience, like how well it lasts and everything like that. So I will definitely be doing that, and then I'll be adding it to my service list, because I'm sure, you know, there are, you know, clients out there that still would like to get just regular manicures, just something quick, especially if because I know a lot of my clients in the like medical field, sometimes they can't have like the dark colors or the brighter colors or anything like that, or anything on their nails for that reason, you know, for that sense. So I'm sure they would love to have this, because, you know, if they're going on a quick vacation but they don't want the maintenance or the commitment of a longer lasting product. So like I said, I will be doing this on myself. I'll be recording and everything like that, so I will post that hopefully this week, because I do have some things to do this weekend. I have a couple parties, a couple dinners and stuff like that, so I definitely want my nails to look good. So I will be doing that, and I will be posting a video on that, so please subscribe. Well, I haven't said that in so long. Hit that subscribe button, and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I definitely want to be a little bit more consistent on posting videos here on YouTube. And let me know what you guys want to see. I am more than happy to kind of like make a list of videos to kind of like make sure I hit everybody's interests and everything like that. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.